There was a time when I kept all the boxes, and I had probably 65 in this little corner closet in my house. And one day I was like, you know what? That's a fire hazard. So I donated them all to a local artist, and he turned them into something. But yeah, don't recommend keeping all the boxes. It just takes up so much room. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Robe, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Today, I got some miscellaneous boxes. I believe there's 3 boxes, 1 package. Gonna be checking it out. Some of the stuff's gonna be from Dhgate. Some of the other stuff's not gonna be. We're gonna figure out when the time comes and I'm opening it up. Make sure you join the Discord channel. I got all of the sauce and links and stuff over there and pretty readily available, so you can post a picture into the chat and discussion channel, and then I can get you a link helping you out, helping you save money. That's my whole goal, to help you look the way that you want for a fraction of the cost that these retail stores are going to be charging you. I mean, everything's marked up. I just went to the Oklahoma State Fair. It was a great time. $20 chicken leg or turkey leg though. I probably could have allocated that money somewhere else, but you know, when you're there, you kind of just got to do the fair stuff. So it was a good time. Emily got a chamoy and fruit roll-up covered pickle. That was pretty interesting. I'd probably give it like a 6.9 out of 10. Pretty good. Saw some cool toys that they had going on. Overall, had a nice sunset at the end, so couldn't complain. It wasn't raining. Usually every time the state fair is happening, there's always a big storm, so it's just a big mud pit. I probably haven't actually went in the last probably 3 or 4 years, but I went this year just to go check it out, and you know, nothing's really changed. Still just the old classic state fair. So for the most part, we're creeping into the end of summer. I think it's technically already ended, but the colder months are coming in. So if you didn't see that jacket video I just put out, make sure you go watch that. Check out King of Goose. They got some good stuff. But yeah, let's go ahead and bust into the first product. And I believe this is going to be from Top Sports Market, who is our Dhgate father. He does a good job. He's got all different types of brands and clothes and bags. If you haven't checked out the Dhgate video, make sure you're checking that one out too. Make sure you're dropping likes on all my videos as well, pushing my content out there, helping other people save some money, because I really appreciate that. I also have channel membership, so if you want to be a Jeff Robe channel member, that means a lot to me. I highly recommend you do that. So checking these out, looks like some Gucci flip-flop. Binga banga. So got that multicolored pattern. These are going to be in a size 39. Every color. Doesn't it repeat? There's yellow there and yellow down there. Yeah, so almost a full different. I like it. Little stars on there. We got purple, orange, green, yellow, red, blue. So just about every color you could think of, they got them on here. Just your classic kind of, if you remember the black Nike slides, that's kind of what these feel like. It does say Gucci right in the middle on the bottom, along with the size down there. But overall, nice cheap little sandal. If you need just, you know, different variety to go with, then this is the perfect option. I think these things run like 35 bucks, and they're practically indestructible. They're made of that really good rubber, so you're gonna be able to wear them for multiple summers, leave them out, let them get all dirty, takes a quick little wash down, and they're gonna look brand new again. That's the nice part about those little plastic slides like that. But yeah, let's keep her rolling. Getting into this next box, and I have no idea what's in here, so let's check it out. Right. What we got here? Looks like a Jordan box. Nice. Okay, we got a Travis Scott Jordan 1. Has this like outer protective shell. All right, comes with that all black box with that gloss black Nike right there. Very cool. Get your bandana here. Let's check these out. Oh yeah, that dark suede on there. Bazinga. Get the white stitching right there on the midsole as well. Air Jordan logo on the heel. Flipping it all the way around. Swoosh going the right way now. Got the Cactus Jack logo right behind the swoosh. And you can see that white stitching really looks good. Just all the way around. Kind of makes a little shadow outline for the whole shoe. Oh yeah. That thing looks good. Can't complain there. Does come with the waxy black laces inside of here, but if you look inside the box, you're gonna get a white and black pair, and then you're gonna get a red pair as well. It does say Cactus Jack on the tongue as well, so all of the embellishings and brandings and everything in between is gonna come on the shoe. This one's been out for a while, but it's still pretty popular. I do still see people ordering this one. It is the Travis Scott Phantom Jordan 1 Low. They did make a mock high of this, but I don't think it ever released. Let's just shove that back in there. And it comes with the little cover, kind of made popular by Off-White back in the day whenever they were putting that plastic sheath cover over the shoebox, which is just a nice little extra toy, little give me to have whenever you order something like this. Let's get this next one open. I think this is also going to be a pair of Travis Scott's. Hype around Travis in 2020, 2021 was crazy. It'd probably still be going on too if the whole Astroworld thing never happened, but that's been pretty tough for him to recover from. I think he also decided to marry or have a kid with a Kardashian, and that's never really a good career move. This box got a little bit dinged up, but we don't wear the box. I usually throw the box away. There was a time when I kept all the boxes, and I had probably 65 in this little corner closet in my house. And one day I was like, you know what? That's a fire hazard. So I donated them all to a local artist, and he turned them into something. But yeah. Don't recommend keeping all the boxes. It just takes up so much room. This is going to be the classic. This is one of the first ones he came out with, and it's just the Mocha Air Jordan 1 Low, Travis Scott. This is the first time, well, I guess the highs came out before these came out, but had started doing the tongue logo. And then if you flip it around, you get it behind the swoosh. Everything's going to be in that brown suede, tan midsole, dark brown sole. Classic Jordan 1. Can't go wrong. One thing about these, you don't want to wear them if it's wet. The suede, it can kind of get funky if it gets wet. Don't really want any of that. Inside, it also says Travis Scott on there. If you've ever had a pair of these, I'm sure you've seen that. But just say Travis on the inside. And then of course, just like every Jordan 1 Low, you get that beautiful logo right there on the back. Looks good. Stitched into that suede like that. The early pairs, that was something that they really struggled with, but this one looks just about perfect. Rolled leather on the swoosh looks good. This one, like the other pair, you're going to get 3 changes of laces. You get the pink, red, and the black, and it comes stocked with that black waxy lace in there. That was another way to tell back in the day when these first came out. A lot of the OG rep pairs didn't have that waxy shoelace, but they've since got that right. Everything is down packed and looking spot on. Those looked really good. Last little package of the day, and this one is going to be from Dhgate. Been meaning to get this video out for a while. If you watched that last video, I've been fighting that chest cold, man. Not fun. Don't recommend that to anyone. I think it's the new strain of the C word, but my girlfriend had it before I had it, and we took her to urgent care, and they didn't even swab her or test her or anything. They said pretty much she'd had multiple people come in with the same symptoms, and none of them tested positive on any of the tests. So I don't know if that means it's a new virus or something. That's scary. But she just gave us some zithromycin and called it good. We've been taking that, and we're feeling better. So last item of the day, this is something that I've had a lot of people asking for, and it's these Von Cleef bracelets. Von Cleef. Let me know how to say it down in the comments. This is just going to be a gold and pearl one. Super cute. Really cute. And I always thought this was more like feminine, but I have seen men wearing them, so if you're a guy and you want it, don't be afraid to rock it. But this is just a little baby bracelet. Looks really cute. I don't even think that'll fit on my wrist, so I have to wait for Emily to get home before I give it to her. I think she'll enjoy this though. It looks really cute. It's almost like a marble or pearl inside, and I assume these are super high grade materials, the real ones, because I looked it up and they're like $13,000. So I imagine they use like real gold and real stone whenever they're filling, because you can get emerald, ruby, sapphire inside those little clovers. This one's just that pearl color though. It's really pretty. Yeah, it looks nice. The clasp is pretty too, if it'll focus on there. No. Beautiful. Yeah, so first Van Cleef, but I have gotten the link for other people already. So I know that it's been out there, but this is the first one I've actually got. This feels really good. I probably wouldn't wear it in the shower or in the pool or anything, just to like save its integrity to look the best that it can look. Because I think these are like $8 or $9. They're pretty cheap. So if you wanted every single color, you could. Or if you want to get it and then just don't take it off for a month and then put on a new one and throw the old one away, you can kind of test to see the tarnishing. I'll probably do an update after she wears this a few times. But yeah, Van Cleef, 3 pairs of kicks, doesn't get much better than that. Make sure you're over in the Discord. That's kind of where I can bridge the gap and really give you a lot of information. There's a link down in the description of this video to where you can join the Discord. I do have channel memberships if you want to become a Jeff Robe YouTube member. It means the world to me. And yeah, subscribe, drop a like. I'm Jeff Robe, and I'll see you next time when I got some more stuff for you.